let's I'm in my room now. I'm over here hanging out. My oh man, I couldn't even sleep last night, but I'm probably gonna take a nap today. Welcome to the live chat. That's what it says on the. All right, let me see. The new blog. The new blog has 5 views already. So that's pretty cool. It's 5. It's not. 5 views is nothing to brag about, but this one. Yeah, first time. If it's your first time going to the Philippines, that's a good one to watch, y'all. So go watch it, and I'm gonna put more. I'm gonna put more blogs of places that you can go for accommodation or stuff like that. It just yeah, so I'm gonna do I think I recorded like 2 or 3. I think I recorded 2 or 3 blogs already. Well, I did 3 blogs based on the topic on visiting the Philippines and your first time coming, and what's good to have, stuff like that. So I got some more videos coming that they're gonna be pretty cool, and yeah, that one is bright right there. So yeah, I have. Oh, this is the brightness. I have more that are gonna come, and the next blog, it's gonna talk about our new business that we're doing. It's a new project. It's a new project that we have, so it's too bright. There you go. It's a little better now. So yeah, we have a new project coming. It's a new investment. It's a new surviving idea. Something that all other survivors that are coming to the Philippines can do. So like, if you're gonna come to the Philippines and you are